In this video, I will show you how to get a refund from Microsoft through your bank. So if you want to get a refund on Microsoft, you first need to know if you're eligible for it. So to check refund eligibility on subscription you purchase on Microsoft, you need to cancel it first. Do take note that not all cancellation will result in a refund. So for example, if you're actually canceling with Microsoft 365, you can head over to this web page right here under the support and then click onto the start option in order to go to the self-help tool that can help you with the refund process of your Microsoft right there. So for this one, this will search for those articles as well in order to get a refund for this. You can also sign in to contact the support of Microsoft itself. If you're actually running for Copilot Pro, you can head over right here and then sign in first, click on manage, and then click on cancel from in there. And it may take some time for the refund window to actually incorporate. So if you have other subscription, you can head over and then go over and sign into the subscription page and manage and cancel it from there. So that's all there is today. I hope this video helped you out.